Welcome to my channel. This is Anthony Vijay. Today we are going to discuss about two topics from Python programming. The first topic is how to use commands in Python programming, and the second topic is what is the usage of variables in Python. So before get started, please subscribe the channel and turn on the bell icon for regular updates. Now we are going to start with the commands. So I'm just going to explain the command through PyCharm IDE. Let me go. What is commands? Command is used to explain the code. Okay. There are three features the commands have. The first one is commands can be used to explain Python code, and the second one is commands can be used to make the code more readable, and the third feature is commands can be used to prevent execution when testing code. And this particular command supposed to starts with the symbol hash. Okay, you can type any text here. Okay, this is demo program. Okay, so this line is called this command line. So what is the usage of this line? If you type like this, the compiler will not take care of it. Take care of means what? It will not consider the line. Okay, so under that, here I am typing print statement. Okay, Python programming. Here the first line will not consider. While running the code, see the result will show you. Okay, it will show you that Python programming. It means the first line the compiler does not take care of it. At the same time, the place of usage also very important. Okay, if you mention the same command in the place of Python statement, see hash, this is demo program. See, the whole line is converted into command line. Okay, so the place of usage also very important. So if you want to mention the command line, you supposed to start before the statements. Okay, here hash, this is demo program. Okay, this is the one of the way, or you can mention the command line after Python statement. Okay, this is demo program. Okay, so this is a different way we are representing. So keep in mind, the place of using the command line is very important. If you represent the same command line near to this print statement, what will happen? The whole line, see, this is demo program, the whole line is converted into command line. So this is not a correct way of representing the command line. So command line supposed to be starts initially. Okay, it means you have to start here. Okay, demo program, or else you can type afterwards to the Python statements. Here demo program. Okay, both the way are correct. Okay, while running the program you will get the correct output. Okay, this will not affect. When you talk about command, there are two types. One is single line command, and the other one is multi-line command. Single line command means what? So line by line you have to mention hash. Multi-line command means, for example, this program is demo 1. Okay, so how to represent the same in a multi-line manner? So first line you have to mention hash, the second line also you have to mention hash, or else there is other way. Okay, the triple times you have to mention the double quotes. That's all. Okay, it means whatever you are typing between the triple quotes, it will be considered as a command line. So this is the other way. So keep in mind, just recall it. For single line command, every line you have to start with hash. When you talk about multi-line command, you have to mention triple time double quotes. Okay, at the starting and ending position. In the between area, you have to mention any text also. And at the very most important thing is, you can command Python statements also. For example, here I am typing one more print statement. Print Python is a popular language. Okay, So here I have mentioned two print statements. In case I don't want the first print statement, okay, I don't want it means, so if I put hash, second line is converted into command line. So keep in mind, this is the way you have to convert. So this is exact meaning for command. Next topic, we are going to discuss about variables. So let me see it. When I talk about variables, variables are used to store the values generally. For example, here we no need to mention int, float and all. Okay, you can directly use a is equal to 50. A is equal to 50. Print a. That's all. Okay, running the code, we will get the answer as 50. This is the easiest way. Okay, here a is a variable. Here a is a variable. A is storing the value 50. So this is a normal way we are printing the value. So how to identify the type of this particular variable? If you want to identify the type of the variable, you're supposed to use type. Okay, type is a predefined function is there. You have to mention type. Okay, then run it. You will get what type of data it is. It is int. Int means what? It's an integer data. So in case if I am changing the value of here right now, so here I am mentioning Anthony Vijay. Okay, now I am going to print. So keep in mind, here we no need to mention string, integer, float, character and all. You can directly use print statement. So run it, we will get the answer Anthony Vijay. Okay, in case if you want to identify the type, same manner, again type of, it will give you as a string. Okay, str means what? String. Okay, the important thing is in Python there is no character. Okay, here single quotes and double quotes have the same meaning. See, so if I am changing double quotes into single quotes, see, there is no difference. Okay, answer remains same. Okay, no changes. So keep in mind, in Python double quotes as well as single quotes both are same, so there is no character at all. Okay, even if you want to print single character, for example, if I want to print a single character B, you no need to mention single quotes. Double quotes also it will accept. See, there is no different meaning. So I am printing A. Okay, so we are getting answer B, we will get. Okay, so this is the way variables can be used. Okay, when I talk about variables, it is case sensitive. Okay, case sensitive means what? For example, if I am having a is equal to b. Okay, if I am using capital letter A equal to C. Okay, if I am printing the value, both the variables are different because this is case sensitive. If I am printing A and printing capital letter A, both will have different outputs. See, small letter A is having B and capital letter A is having C, so it is case sensitive. And here casting will be very easy in Python. How to convert from one type to another type? See, so here A is equal to 50. I am creating a new variable, so I am converting str of A. It means I am converting integer into string. Okay, now I am going to print B. See the answer. So we are getting 50, but if you have any doubts in this answer, we will check with the type of B. Okay, what type of data it is. See, it is str. Str means what? String. Initially it was integer, now after conversion right now as string. This is the way of converting. So in Python casting also very easy. Okay, so this is called as variables. The next class we will see more topics in Python. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in my videos, keep subscribe my channel and share the link to your friends. Thank you.